What up? A quick trade update. I am floating. All right, let me get focused real quick. All right, floating $2,800. Equity is 108, so basically I have about 1,500 left. You can see that this was my entry. Price needs to go up to this area. Let me go ahead and zoom in really quick on the 1 hour. So price is right here and my take profit is right here. London session hasn't even started yet. So if London session picks up volume, I can probably get to TP maybe around mid-London session. Hopefully price doesn't reverse. Sometimes price likes to reverse, going from Asian session to London session. Fingers crossed, and let's pray to the Forex gods. Every single morning, I'm up before the sun, ready to take on the markets. It's never easy waking up early, facing the unknown, the ups, the downs that come with every trade. But this journey isn't about making profits. For me, it's becoming something deeper. Every loss, every gain, every early morning, it's shaping me to become stronger, teaching me patience, sharpening my skills. I'm out here every day, pushing through the struggle, proving to myself that I can handle the pressure, that I can improve, that I can become better. I'm only human, but I get up every single day. I have another chance to refine my craft, to chase this goal. I'm grateful for that, grateful to be on this path, to feel the fire, to rise with every new day. This is my journey. I'm here for it every step, every challenge. I'm here to grow, to push, to keep going, and I wouldn't trade it all for anything. Going back to the crib, gonna eat something real quick, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know about the higher time frames, right? Like, there's a lot of people who like to trade literally in and out of the markets in 1 hour, but you're gonna be stopped out a lot more. So again, if you want to get stopped out less, you want to have a higher win rate so you can actually make money, trade higher time frames. Once you get better at that, then you can scale down to shorter time frames, right? But I wouldn't recommend starting out, because guess what? You're still learning how to line up technicals. You're still just in the beginning of your journey, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I would recommend if you're a newer trader. Even if you've been trading for 2 or 3 years, right, and you're having a hard time breaking out of that rut, right, and you're just breaking even or maybe just losing money still, yeah, you need to trade higher time frames. Yesterday I was super optimistic, you know, I made some money. And then today I'm like, dang, I took that L and it hurt. Yeah, so now I'm closer towards just like rebuilding the funded account again. And yeah, man, it sucks. How I'm feeling right now, not feeling too hot right now. It is 5 p.m. election day. And I tell you guys always, like, don't trade during the news, don't trade during elections. Like, elections comes around like once a year, right? And I'm hard-headed. I took a trade and I took a big fat L. I got cooked. So there's not much to really update you guys on. Basically, same thing. You know, it's election week, and so the markets are going to be volatile. Yeah, my trade, I took a buy on UJ. It like dipped below 40 pips, and then next thing you know, 10 minutes later, yeah, definitely took an L. Sleep it off, reset, recalibrate, and get ready for another trading day. All right, so this one's gonna be short, but definitely wanted to just stay on track with posting every single day. So if you guys are watching and don't necessarily comment, let me know you're there. Let me know that you're actually watching my videos, because it gives me hope. It gives me more inspiration and motivation to keep going. So if you do watch my videos but don't necessarily comment every single time, go ahead and comment. Let's keep going.